Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Arushi Oswal this side and आज मैं सिखाने वाली हूँ बहुत ही subtle makeover on my beautiful client Mohika. And let's get started guys. सबसे पहले लेंगे एक clean चेहरा and उस पे लगाऊंगी मैं contact lenses जो कि सबसे difficult काम है. Not easy guys. उसके बाद मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ हुडा ब्यूटी का कंसीलर इन द शेड शुगर बिस्किट एंड अप्लाई दिस ऑल ओवर द लिड एंड blend it with a concealer brush. Once we are done blending this, let's use a brown color eyeshadow on the outer corner and in the crease area with a blending brush. इसको अच्छी तरह softly blend करते रहो until you see no harsh lines. Once we are done doing that, let's set this off with a shimmery eyeshadow. मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ Pat McGrath की eyeshadow palette. उस palette में से ही brown है और उसी palette में से soft shimmery eyeshadow है. After that, let's use plum काजल pencil और ये बहुत ही पतली pencil है, so इसको हम लगाएंगे eyes पे. And using a soft small smudger brush, let's smudge this pencil with a black eyeshadow and a brown eyeshadow. And once we are done doing that on both sides, we're going to be moving on by applying our eyelashes. So let's curl the eyelashes first, making sure both the sides are curled properly. Client की eyes को pinch mat karna. And after that, let's apply our eyelashes. Once I'm done applying the eyelashes on both the sides, you're gonna see it's gonna look amazing. हमने ये eye makeup काफ़ी natural रखना है. After this, let's apply our plum kajal pencil on the upper waterline and using Chico baby wipes, let's clean her full face. Any fallout, let's clean that up. भूलना मत skincare करना. यहाँ मैं use कर रही हूँ OC Glow की under eye cream for fine line wrinkles and puffiness and also for brightness underneath the eye area. And also concealer लगाने में बहुत easy रहेगा. And after that, let's use the OC Glow's Glow Serum all over the face. इसको अच्छी तरह face पे evenly apply करो for instant glow and also works as a makeup primer, which is amazing and you can use it all year round. And not to forget the OC Glow's most sold water cream for normal to oily skin. Works amazingly well on normal to oily skin and apply that all over the face. Next step is using orange concealer for color correction. इसको मैं बहुत कम quantity में around the mouth area, under eye area and forehead में लूँगी. And then using Forever 52's concealer underneath the eye area, forehead and around the mouth area. Moving on, we are going to be using the foundation. I am again using Forever 52's foundation this time, and I'm also mixing it with NARS foundation for a subtle effect. And the foundation I'm using is very similar to her skin tone. I'm not going dark, neither am I going very light. It is very similar to her own skin tone, maybe a shade lighter just to brighten up her face, but the color is not changing much. So let's apply the foundation everywhere, and then underneath the eye area I'm going to be using Huda concealer, and let's blend this using Beautylicious concealer brush. And this is a full coverage concealer, काफ़ी अच्छी coverage दे देगा ये under eye and it's going to look fabulous guys. And अगर आपको ये look पसंद आ रही है, go ahead and comment and tell me in the comment section कि आपको कितनी पसंद आ रही है ये look. मेरे को तो बहुत पसंद आ रही है. coverage देखो क्या मस्त लग रहा है यहाँ पर. So let's blend, and once we are done blending, let's not forget to apply our liquid blusher. I'm using Rare Beauty liquid blusher over here. Let's apply this on the cheeks and on the nose area. Let's blend. After we are done blending, let's highlight the inner corner. I'm using Tarte concealer over here. And once we are done doing this, now let's go ahead and set her face with some loose powder. I'm using Laura Mercier translucent powder and setting this off all over the face. But before you set the loose powder, make sure आप एक बारी अच्छी तरह under eye blend कर लो ताकि कोई भी fine lines नहीं है. Let's set the loose powder all over the face very well. आप देख सकते हो skin की finishing कितनी सही लग रही है. I mean, it is looking flawless guys. I cannot believe it, her skin is looking that good. After that, let's go ahead and use PAC Cosmetics blusher over here, and I'm using this on her apple of her cheeks and the jawline. So let's apply. I'm mixing tones of pink and coral on her face, topping it off with, let's use Huda Beauty highlighter, and let's blend. Let's do this on both the sides of her face, on the apple of the cheeks, on the nose, on the bridge of the nose, on the lips, and on the chin area. So once I'm done doing that, let's fill up her eyebrows. I'm using NYX eyebrow palette for a very soft effect. आप देख सकते हो उसके eyebrows already full हैं. So I'm not going to use any gel or pencil, just a very soft eyeshadow. Not an eyeshadow but an eyebrow palette. And now from Pat McGrath palette, I'm using the shimmer. Oh my god, look at that. बहुत ही soft shimmer है and इसके लिए कोई भी glue की ज़रूरत नहीं है guys. That is why I love this palette. This is Pat McGrath's eyeshadow palette. And then let's use a soft brown and let's blend underneath the eye area with an eyeshadow. इसको अच्छी तरह blend किया and I've not applied any kajal pencil guys. There's no kajal pencil. And then after this, let's curl her eyelashes for a more lifted look. And then let's use Spice Lip Pencil by MAC. मेरी favorite pencil है ये. इसको all over the lips apply किया and then let's use our lipstick. Next I'm going to be using Sephora number 13 on the lips. A very soft baby pink color. मेरा favorite lip shade है ये Sephora में से. And after that let's use Rico's mascara on her eyelashes. This is a long lasting transfer proof mascara. Look at that effect guys. And let's set her makeup with पैक सेटिंग स्प्रे. कैसा लग रहा है आपको ये लुक, मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना मत भूलना. एंड आई होप यू एंजॉय दिस ब्यूटिफुल वीडियो. एंड बाय द वे गाइज, द गॉर्जियस ज्वेलरी एंड द गॉर्जियस आउटफिट इज़ फ्रॉम चोपड़ा सन्स एंड रोज क्रिएशंस. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई, मेक श्योर टू सब्सक्राइब टू माई यूट्यूब चैनल. सी यू गाइज इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.